Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Jasper here behind the camera showing you my Yorkville speaker stands. I'm wondering if you can tell the difference between the one on the left and the one on the right. Figured it out yet? One of them is missing the collar that holds up the inner speaker pole to raise up the speaker. And the reason why it's missing is because it's cracked. There you go. That's the bad boy. Not safe to have, and you know, as soon as it happened and noticed it, I decided to contact and see if I could get this replacement part available. And luckily enough, it was. And it was about a $3 replacement part for this collar. So, I'm gonna pause the camera and show you the replacement of this thing. Very simple, you know, Allen key, few nuts and bolts. Pretty easy, very simple. And there you have it. A replaced collar on a Yorkville speaker stand. Costs about $3 plus tax, as opposed to replacing the entire unit in the set for 125 bucks. No need for an Arabic case when they already come with one. Practice and enjoy.